Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Pam Station, and this is me Pam. So I know I'm late for the party, but it's better late than never. Always wonder when I see all those animated characters, those female, the cats and the puppies and those female dogs. They have their beautiful eyelashes and they look so pretty. That's why I think those lashes, even the girls out there have got the idea from there to look pretty. So now is the style of the fake eyelashes going on, so why not I should give it a try. And I was actually very scared. I have no idea, never used a fake eyelashes, but I've seen the trend going on, lots on Instagram post and all, and literally the fake eyelashes do make a lot of difference. So I also thought, like, why not, let's give it a try. So I have fake eyelashes. From the best brand which I have, which is from Nykaa, and I got it so cheap. This is just for 199 rupees. 199. It's like 1 रुपया कम 200 रुपये में. And you won't believe there is a glue inside this. They have given lashes as well as a glue inside this. So it's a great deal, yaar, for a starter to give it a try. So I'm going to use this. I have this, the real deal natural length and natural volume. This is the orange packaging, and I got this 2 lashes here, and there is this glue. So I'm going to give this a try. I watched few videos just for knowledge sake, and then I'm giving a try, and I'm sure कि आप भी मेरी जगह पे होंगे तो आप लोग ने भी थोड़े बहुत वीडियोस देखे होंगे और फिर आप ट्राई करेंगे. So let's get started with my video. So what I'm using right now to use it is that I've not applied any makeup. It's just the lipstick and the defined eyebrows. So I thought, like, instead of applying the eyeshadows and then trying out with the eyelashes, maybe it won't stick. So I want to give it a try first. So I have here is the eyelashes, then I have this eyelash curler. This I took from Shein. So what things I have in front of me? First of all, I have this, and I have a pair of scissors. This is tweezer, I think it's called. This also I took from Shein. A clip to tie my hair, and a mascara, which I don't have it right now, so grab it from my cupboard. So stay tuned, just hold on for a minute. Okay, so I'm back. So let me first tie my hair because I don't want any disturbance. Fine. So what I'm going to do is, the first thing is I'll just remove this one. Got it. It's simple. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, I will have this one brow here. So what I'm going to do is, I took this gum, and it's a cute small tube. Oops, मेरा tube का ढक्कन गिर गया. ओह, अभी इसमें खड्डा भी करना है. Hold on. Okay, so इसके पीछे खड्डा करने के लिए है. I should have kept all this ready. I think so. Yeah, I would have at least saved my time. Oops. हुआ क्या यार? Okay, खड्डा तो हो नहीं रहा है इसके पीछे से. So I'm just trying again. नहीं हो रहा यार. I have to search for some. Okay, ये जो सिम कार्ड चेंज करने वाला जो पिन होता है, आई हैव दैट. इनडायरेक्टली ये नायका के आईब्राउज का फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन भी होगा. सो आई हैव दिस योर. सो लेट्स पुट द योर लाइक दिस. आजा. Okay, so I'll just put a little in the back of my hand. अगर ये नहीं आया तो मेरा वीडियो वेस्ट. यार इतना सा ही निकल रहा है यार. क्या ये कोई काम का नहीं है. शिट. There's no use. I just got there was hardly anything in this. I would never suggest to buy Nykaa का eyebrows are fine, मगर गम आपको प्लीज दूसरा लेना पड़ेगा. So I have this over here. So let's apply it. Actually, I have switched off the fan, so it's really hot. Where is my? Wiping away all my sweat. Not happening, guys. I'm done. So first impression of this eyelash is the super flop. The gum ही ठीक से नहीं चिपक रहा है, तो मैं क्या इसको चिपकाने की कोशिश करूँ? I'm not able to do anything. Nykaa, I tried my best to show that you are a nice product, but it's not happening. So it's not my mistake. I tried my best to create a good video for you, but see, चिपक ही नहीं रहा. Not happening. So I hope you like this video, and this is a super flop product. I did not like this Nykaa eyebrows. I will never recommend this to buy again. So I don't know what I'm going to do with my eyelashes. Maybe I'll try some other product and I'll come up with some other video. So I hope I did not disappoint you with this video. I tried my best so that I can try applying the eyebrows. Let me just remove it, looks funny. I tried my best to make this video a super hit, but I am very upset that this product did not turn well, and my experience to apply the fake eyelashes is super flop. And I'm sure many of you also went through the same experience. Do let me know in the comment section if you have ever tried using fake eyelashes, or were you successful in applying these eyelashes. Do let me know in the comment section, and I'll be very happy to know your experience and read your experience as well. Have you tried this Nykaa lashes? Also let me know. So if you want to buy it, I will share the link of Nykaa lashes as well in my description box. You need to check the zip code if your zip code is available on that site. Then they are going to you can see whether you are eligible, and if your zip code is true, then they are delivering their products to certain areas only. So I'm going to share the link in my description as well. I hope you like this video, and do let me know in the comment section. And if you have not yet subscribe my channel. Please like this video and share this video to all your friends and family. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye.